Learn about risk assessment matrix. This is very common matrix. Many industries has used this metric, especially in safety, in supply chains, and in many areas. So there are two axes. The first axis is impact. Basically, how severe would the outcomes be if the risk occur? And then the second axis is likelihood. What is the probability the risk will happen? And then there are 5 degrees from the likelihood, the very low likelihood, very unlikely, until very likely. It has its own magnitude or point, 1 until 5. Similarly, on the impact, it's significant until severe 1. And then this number is basically multiply likelihood and impact. 5 multiply 1. Okay. And then there are medium, low, very low, high, very extreme, and extreme. So basically you need to know about how severe the outcome, and then you need to also to know the probability of the risk and then determine whether it is high risk or extremely risk.